Welcome to the pilot episode of Arduino Projects Made Easy, in which we'll be taking a look at what Arduino is, as well as what it can be used for. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Krishan, and welcome to Tech Scene ZA. If this is your first time here, and you're interested in consumer tech, creative builds, product reviews, as well as home networking guides, you can start by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notified every time we post new videos. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs such as light from a sensor or a finger on a button and turn it into an output such as activating a motor or turning on an LED. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language through the Arduino software or IDE. Arduino is an easy tool for fast prototyping, aimed at anyone without a background in electronics and programming. The Arduino board can do anything from simple 8-bit boards to products for the Internet of Things, wearables, 3D printing, and embedded environments. All Arduino boards are completely open sourced, empowering users to build them independently and eventually adapting them to their own particular needs. Over the years, Arduino has been the brains of thousands of projects, from everyday objects to complex scientific instruments. A worldwide community of makers, students, hobbyists, artists, programmers, and professionals have gathered around this open source platform. Their contributions have added up to an incredible amount of accessible knowledge that can be of great help to novices and experts alike. Thanks to its simple and accessible user experience, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. The Arduino software is easy to use for beginners, yet flexible enough for advanced users. It runs on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Teachers and students use it to build low-cost scientific instruments to prove chemistry and physics principles, or to get started with programming and robotics. Designers and architects build interactive prototypes. Musicians and artists use it for installations and to experiment with new musical instruments. Makers, of course, use it to build many projects exhibited at the Maker Fair. For example, Arduino is a key tool to learn new things. Anyone, children, hobbyists, artists, programmers, can start tinkering just following the step-by-step instructions of a kit or sharing their ideas online with other members of the Arduino community. Arduino boards are relatively inexpensive compared to other microcontroller platforms. This kit was purchased from Banggood for 500 Rand. But because we're family, I hooked you up. So there's a link in the description below that will get you a 200 Rand discount on this kit. So the kit would cost you 300 Rand. And you can build and code alongside with me. And that brings us to the end. So this is just the pilot episode of Arduino Projects Made Easy with Tech Scene ZA. And all we wanted to achieve was what is Arduino and what could you do with it. So throughout this video, you would have seen a lot of projects that were built using the Arduino microprocessor. So make sure you stay tuned for the first episode of Arduino Projects Made Easy with Tech Scene ZA. And that video is coming out on Wednesday at 7 p.m. So make sure you stay tuned. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And getting subscribed if you aren't subscribed already, turning on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Guys, my name is Prashant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again at 7 p.m. on Wednesday for the first episode of Arduino projects made easy with TechSceneZerry.